Alright, welcome to the stream. Stream of the day. How you guys all doing? What are we gonna do today? We're going to try and make the thing we made yesterday run on AWS, right? That's the point of the whole runtime interface engine thing, right? We want it to actually run on AWS. It's not enough to just make the library, right? So we kind of have our test application now. And the plan is, so, you know, we're gonna make it into a library and things, but let's just check, you know, can we make the actual test run on AWS? So let's see. So what do we have? 8. Oh, here's our stuff. It's all running. Okay, so now we're gonna do a lot of AWS stuff. Let's see. Console.aws. You can see my AWS. Let me just turn off the camera for a second. Can't see my password now. Yeah, no, this is like a proper password. So let me just see. I can't use this. Ugh. I'm not logged into LastPass. Let me log into LastPass actually. I'm gonna turn off the audio. So I don't want you hackers to, you know, fucking listen in on the audio and then kind of infer my password, right? So let's just look at. So you're not gonna get my LastPass password, and we're gonna check LastPass on my phone. I mean, I have two-factor authentication, right? So, you know, you need more than the password, but it's just an extremely lame way to get your password stolen, right? Okay, let me see. Oh, damn it. Okay, and now I need to authenticate, and then I'll show you the window I'm looking at. There we go. Now, no secret information has been revealed, and I can turn back the camera. Okay, see? Into secrets in the stream. Top secret. Okay, so what we're trying to do is we're trying to run Lambda, so custom AWS runtimes on Lambda. Let's see what happens. So how's everyone doing today? You know, everyone had a nice Monday. I'm actually, like, now work is starting to get real, so you know, that's how it is. Always like after the New Year's, nothing happens for a while, and then things start happening. Hey, Cersei. I hope it's Cersei. That's like the evil queen in Game of Thrones, right? What's up, man? Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I wasn't doing too good, but now I'm doing better. That's all you can ask for, right? Okay, so how do we run a custom runtime? Okay, publishing a custom runtime. Yeah, this is what we want. Yeah, but yeah, it's doing good. So don't forget to follow and subscribe. If you got that sweet Amazon Prime Gaming, you can subscribe for free. That would be amazing. But I understand. So create role, Lambda role, create a function. Okay, AWS Lambda create function. Function name bash runtime zip file b Can't I do this from a container? I should be able to do a container, right? Share the layer. Okay. You can then upload the image to your container registry hosted on Amazon Elastic Container Registry. Okay, let's just see here. Yeah, this is my websites. You can go check them out. Are my stats frozen? I hope not. Maybe I'm gonna change actually. One thing. Beep 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 beep. Let me check here. I'm gonna change how the chat looks, because the thing is that the chat, like, because you know, it works great if I have a dark background, right? But now I don't have a dark background, so we are gonna go here to the chat box, and we are going to change it to so this I like this theme, right? But like change this box, and can we like save that? Can someone say something? Maybe I'll just say something. Hey. Wow. Okay. That works. Now you can see it on whatever background, right? You can go here, white background, and you can still read it. Good stuff. You always have to think about what you're doing. Okay, so right now, create function. A container image. Nice. Yes. So now, okay, let's check it out. ECR, Elastic Container Registry. Yeah. By the way, I'm gonna be teaching like a class on web applications, or not teaching. Well, I'm teaching TAing web application thing, and it would be cool. I mean, it's gonna be cool, but I'm going to be teaching. Let me just say. I'm gonna be TAing. Oh, what's going on? I'm gonna be TAing web applications. Yeah, but it's gonna be in. It's gonna be in like something called Jakarta, which is like a Java-based bean thing. I don't know. It's not gonna be good. Let me see. What do we call this repository? Let's call it LARPI. Tag immutability. Now image scan. What is the scan? It just I don't want to scan it. Create it. Oh my god, LARPI. I'm gonna turn on this scan. Well, let me. Where is this ECR scan? Unidentified software. Yeah. Okay. We don't want that. You know, we don't care. This is not that pro. Okay. Let's see. Now, how do I push? View push commands. Yeah. Let's see. I don't think this will work. Let me see. Do I have AWS here? Yeah, okay, let's install it. Nix nia nixos.aws. Oh, nice. I might have to sudo this. Oh, I don't even need to sudo. Cool. Let's see. AWS. AWS. Okay, file is missing. EC2, ELB, S3. But this command says ECR, right? AWS ECR. These are all very I think I'll have to. I think this is probably better, but we'll see. See what happens. Yeah, this looks good. This looks good. Oh shit. AWS. Oh, God. Let me see. How do I remove? Nix remove package. Okay, Nix and install AWS. Now this one looks good. Oh. Yeah. So now I have a ECR, right? Yeah, good. Okay, and now let's run the command again. What was the push command? Because I need to not create AMIs and shit now. Push command. Okay, ECR get login password, Docker login username AWS. But it's gonna fail because AWS configure. I haven't done that. Okay, now let me also do some IAM stuff. Now I need to like create a user that has access to stuff for me. Users. I have something here. Wow. Orga Franco Pappy Sovereign. Wow. This is old. 1884 days. Let me add a user. Twitch. 2021. Programmatic access. Yeah. Next, permissions. Copy permissions from user. Let me say, what is the group? Create group. And it's just, administrator. Let's do it. I don't want to buy followers. Jeez, that's such a lame way to get followers. Group name, admins. Because I don't want to, like, we should do this like more properly. Be like, oh, I should only, but like, you know, I don't care. Don't care. Add tags, no. Review, yes. Twitch 2021. Permissions boundary is not set. Okay, copy this. AWS configure. Now, okay, now I need to move this off the screen. Let's see. A secret access key. Copy. Let's paste that. Default region name. It's gonna be let me see. Hide the access key. Okay. I'm gonna EU Ireland. That's what, EU West, something like that. AWS EU Ireland EU West 1. Okay. EU West 1. Clear. Okay, now we can move it back. Yeah, nice. Okay, so now let's get back here. It's actually, let me just be sure. We're gonna change this. Okay, and services. ECR, right? Okay. Now, no one can't see anything. Gotta be careful, right? Okay, so let's open this. LARPI. You push commands. Okay, now it should work. Okay. Oh no. Okay, nice. Now we logged in to the ECR, and then so we have Docker images. Okay. LARPI, we got that. Docker tag LARPI latest, yeah. Okay. We got sudo, okay, and Docker push. Nice. All right. You see, this is why we made it as small as possible, because we wanted to make sure that, you know, this we don't want to be pushing 2 GB image. Okay, so now we got this tag. Cool. Sweet. I think it's cool. Okay, and now we're gonna go to Lambda. See, it's not too hard, you know, deploying things on Lambda, especially with these custom functions. Okay, create function. We're gonna say container image. It's gonna be called LARPI. Well, I'll delete it later. Select repo. Oh no! God damn. AWS just crashed on us. Let's just do copy paste it. I think this happens sometimes. I don't know why. Container image. This is the URI, right? Yeah. Okay. And it's gonna be called LARPI. Container image overrides. No. Default execution role. Create. Yeah. Okay. Create function. Boop, boop, boop. Source image. Oh my god. Why is it not valid? Info. Choose. Okay. Browse. See, it always crashes here. We should report this to AWS or something. This is the image URI, right? What are the benefits using Docker? Then we can just have complete control of the container runtime environment, right? And I mean, so the whole point here is that, you know, we're trying to run like a Haskell function on Lambda. And, you know, to run Haskell functions, you need Haskell libraries, and those libraries sometimes require, you know, CLib or stuff like that, like weird stuff. And if you just have the container, you can just run it, you know, and you can be absolutely certain that it's gonna work, right? So I think so. That's the, you know, and we can just run it on Lambda, which is good. And you can kind of, you know, it's kind of reproducible builds, right? Except it's not quite reproducible right now. Let's see. Okay, blah 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 blah. Okay. Okay. To use a customer, set your functions run. The runtime can set your function. Set your functions runtime. Oh, okay. Am I doing this wrong? What am I doing wrong here? Let me see. Lambda. Let's start Lambda again. Maybe if I update the console, it won't crash. That'd be nice, right? Let's see. Yeah, I don't think these are like applicable to what we're doing. Like these. Okay. Container image deployment. When you deploy code as a container, the image of yours have to for running Lambda. Okay. Okay. Why? You know why doesn't it? Let's see. Is it gonna crash? Are you ready, guys? Guys and gals. Damn it. Ever Tim. I cry ever Tim. That doesn't work. Okay, so it's telling us that it's not a valid image. But that might be because we're not doing it for Amazon EC2, right? We're using AWS. But it doesn't tell us why. You know, this is an example of a bad error message, you know? So maybe we have to do some work. We better work. Let's copy the URI. Oh. Okay, nice. We just needed to provide a tag. Sorry about that, folks. Okay, now we have the URI going. Now let's test it. A new event. I mean, I think it's just okay. Let's invoke it because it's just supposed to. Oh shit! It's just supposed to return success on whatever, right? Let's see. Cabal bins, permission denied. Okay. What is that even? Okay, that's weird. So let me see. Exec cabal bins $@ okay. And what is it doing? What is the argument here? What is the argument? Vim Docker file. Yeah, so okay. And the thing that we're building, right, that's gonna be test, right? That's the name of the library, right? Build depends, yeah, so it's just called test. But you know, we haven't configured that anywhere here, right? So it's trying to execute like cabal bins with nothing. Let me see. Edit. So what's the okay? So command override. Test. Save it. Plug it, play it, burn it, rip it. Let's invoke it again. Oh, succeeded! Whoop whoop! It's called Nixos. It's a pretty cool thing, right? So you know Nix is like this functional package manager, and then I just have something here. So NixOS configuration.nix, and here is like the entire configuration of my computer. Yeah, it's like here's everything that's supposed to be available, key maps, time. It's like, you know, these are the system packages and stuff like that. Sometimes I install things via like Nixenv, right? So I should really have like AWS CLI 2 here now. Yeah. So and yeah. Oh my god. I need to do this via sudo. And then I can kind of rebuild it and configure my entire machine from one file, like so. And then when I want to move on to like a different virtual machine, like I want to start from scratch, you know, I can just run it. So check it out. It's called NixOS. Yeah, Nixos. Oh no, NixOS. Pretty cool. It's a declarative package management, and the thing is that it works on so Nix works on every operating system. I think not on Windows, okay, but like, you know, Unix-based operating system like Mac, and Nixos is just like, hey, let's configure everything by Nix. Like you're not gonna use anything else, and it's pretty nice because you have very complete control over your machine, and you have like reproducible builds and stuff like that. Pretty sweet. Okay, let me see. So, okay, what was the logs here? Oh yeah, see, I got success back. Build duration. Okay, what? Init duration. Yeah. So it takes a second and a half to initialize, and let me test it again. Right. I mean, it's not doing anything, but so yeah, now we're being billed for a millisecond, right? And we're running, and it's running a Haskell function on AWS Lambda. Pretty cool, right? So we just built this container, and it just works. Wow. I thought it would be more of a hassle, but apparently not. So we just have to remember that we have to specify the name of the executable, right? Because you know, we might want to build a couple of different libraries, right? All right, nice. It's not too big. Versions. Okay, so we got it running on AWS. I thought that would be more of a hassle, actually. I thought it would be like, oh, oof, you know, we would have to rewrite it or something, right? But it just worked. I am not even mad. That's amazing. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, can we, let's see, can I like create a gateway or something? Wait, let me connect this to a gateway. Beep, publishing version, proto. Let's call it proto. Oh no. Proto. Let's call it Protoss. It's Twitch, you know, we gotta pay homage to les gamers. Okay, Protoss, yeah, nice. Database proxy, and we have all these things, right? Destination. Wow, I think there's a lot of things we can do with AWS. Okay, let's do a gateway. Gateway. By minus AWS gateways, APIs, something. See, I got some APIs running. Create API. HTTP API. Yeah, that's what we want, right? Build. Add integrate. What's this? Okay, it's gonna crash. No. Lambda. LARPI. Specify that you. Okay, yeah. This is gonna be version. What is this? Yeah. Okay. Add integration. Oh, okay. That was one integration. API. So it's gonna be LARPI. Let's just do next. Method any resource parts LARPI integration target LARPI. Yeah. Stage name $default. Yeah, good. Looks good. Great. Let's create it. Beep. Okay, and invoke URL. Now, can we? Oh no, this is wrong. Okay, but so we were used to curl to localhost. Now, I just want to curl to LARPI here. /LARPI. Internal server error. That's not good. How does it work? Let me see. Message not found. Internal server. Okay, so it is deployed, right? It's just not behaving. Let's go to Route 53. I wanna get this thing running on my actual, like an actual URL, not like a fucking. Sorry, I'm swearing too much on this stream. If you guys are or gals are sensitive, maybe I'll be demonetized on like let's create a record. Maybe I'll be demonetized for swearing too much on. Beep. What do I want here? Switch to. Can I just switch to wizard? I wanna. Yeah. Okay. Simple. Yeah. Define simple record. Oh no! See. Oh. It always. So what I should be able to do here is like, you know, I should be able to say, hey, you know, route it through like API Gateway, right? But I can't because it crashes. Status access violation AWS. Oh my god, maybe it's oh, I mean, everything is disabled. So it's not that. Let's see. Okay, there's nothing here about it, so let's just see. Okay, let's just check out the log for the go here to CloudWatch. And let's look at the logs for this one. And let's just see why is it erroring out? What is this? No, I want logs. Okay, log groups. Log and log groups. LARPI. Last event time 2714. I don't think that's the I don't think that's our let's see. Why do we get an internal server error? Yeah, this is the one we just sent. Start, end, report. I mean, it's not reporting anything, right? Let's see. Monitor, metrics. No data available. Okay, so I don't think it's making its way to LARPI, right? Well, I mean, it is. So here it is, you know, starting a request and but it's not doing it. Is this because it's not actually starting a server? It's just kind of executing the... I mean, then the AWS invocation wouldn't have worked, right? Which is, yeah. Oh my god. I do wish I could route things here. Maybe we'll have to do it old school. Create record. Let's switch to quick create. Yeah. LARPI. And then this needs to be a now we have this record, right? So, and then I can do SSL, and then I should be able to do just LARPI.mg.is. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah. I don't have the SSL certificate, right? Let me see. Curl ignore SSL. How to ignore when valid? Okay. I can do K. Yeah, okay, insecure. Let me see. Message forbidden. Okay, that's different, right? I don't think maybe that doesn't work. Let me see, what do I have here? I don't see anything I have here that works. Let's go back. Let's go back to API Gateway. I just wanted to work, you know? Yeah, now, custom domain names. Create. IS. No. Okay, nice. Let's create a certificate for LARPI. Provision. Get started. Quest. Okay, DNS validation, sure. Yeah, I can do that. I don't know, whatever. Okay, confirm a request. Okay, create this. Let me see, and now we can just continue, and yeah, it should be okay. And now let's choose it. Let's go. Okay, cancel. Let's see, LARPI.mg.is. Oh my god! Yeah, like this, you know, there's just things I can't do on AWS now because of this bullshit. Okay, let's see. Chrome. I'm using like Chrome beta. Maybe if I just do it some of the way, you know. Right, now I have to turn on the camera. And then authenticate. Let's see. Hope it doesn't crash again. Oh, okay. Okay. Edit. Yeah, custom domain names. That's what we're doing, right? Okay. Okay, now it doesn't crash. It's a bug in Chrome beta, which is annoying. Okay, create domain. Okay, and I hope this doesn't cost an amazing amount of money. That would be bad, right? Then we say route. Too many requests. What? What are you talking about? God damn it. God damn it. Now let me turn on that keyboard again. Okay, so we are going to find LARPI, and then we're gonna edit the record, and this is gonna be so what I want here is I want a okay, I want to delete this. Delete this. Delete this. That's like a May. I think like even saying May is in itself a May. It is a May. Terrible, I'm sorry. AWS API Gateway. So many regions now. Ireland. Oof. Why is this gateway not there? API LARPI. This is in Ireland, right? No, do I have to deploy it first? Proto? No, I think it's deployed, right? Yeah, it is already deployed. Okay. I can't edit anything. I'll have to turn off this. They've just fucking kill it. Yeah, that's like the classic way, right? But we're doing lambdas, which is a bit more, right? We don't want to pay except per millisecond. We are too cheap. Invalid. God damn it. Okay. God damn. Too many requests. Like, what are you? Ugh. That is such bullshit. Like, is someone like hacking me and like doing a bunch of requests? Let me see. That would be a mess. Okay, now it worked. Finally. Okay, configuration. Yeah, nice. Nice. Custom domain names. Add new mapping. API LARPI. Stage default. Path LARPI. Save. BMI key mail name. Oh. Okay, let's curl it. this won't work. But maybe I can do it now. Maybe I can do it here now. See? The region in Mumbai. And in Ireland. Oh my god. Let's see. Create record. Let's go. Define simple record. Ireland. Why is there no API Gateway here? Okay. Gateway domain name. Okay. Let's just copy that then. Right? It doesn't do anything for let's do this. Okay, now yeah, you can send me an email to mpg@mpg.is. Alright, that's forbidden. Not found. But do I need insecure? Oh my god. Dig larpi.mpg.is. Oh my god. XOS.bind. I probably need to sudo. No, okay. Okay, so it is digging it. But it's not working with the... It's not working. It's not working out. I think it's because LARPI. It's not supposed to be a TGM. Okay, so let's create a record. Let's define a simple record. LARPI. And now AWS API Gateway. The gateway is in Ireland. Oh, nice. Now it works. Define simple record. Yeah, create records. Nice. Okay, now we might have to wait a couple of minutes actually. Yeah. Let me see. What is it showing us now? Oh, now it's still showing us CNAME actually. Let me just how do we clear the DNS cache? I'm not gonna. I don't think this works. NixOS clear DNS cache. And SCD, yeah. Oh. SCDI. That's invalidated. And SCD. SCD flush cache. IP config flush NSCD I host. Okay, it's not a known database. So yeah, it doesn't work. Maybe hosts. Nice. Okay, dig. We're still getting a C name. And we've saved this, right? So LARPI. Maybe it's just supposed to be like that. I don't know. Global gig online. What does Google say? Yeah. See, they don't say anything, right? They say, you know, they're getting something else. So we didn't actually drop the. So yeah, I think I know what's happening. Okay, let's see. We dropped the host save-o, but the thing is, it's using Windows as a DNS server. Windows flush DNS. Okay. Run it as administrator. Oh my god. I don't know what you guys saw there. Probably nothing. But like, yeah. Let's say ipconfig flush DNS. Nice. Okay, let's dig it. Nah, it's still giving me the same damn thing. Can I? What is it in Windows? Yeah, okay. I think we have to do PowerShell. Let's open terminal. Let's do PowerShell. Resolve DNS name. Okay, so it is giving us these IP addresses now. These are the same as we were looking in here, right? Yeah, okay. That should not work, right? Yeah, curl. Message forbidden. Is it because it's like private? Maybe. Let me see. This works, right? I found a. Authorization, LARPI, any. integrations, AWS Lambda. I'm just wondering, like, it's just saying forbidden, right? We're not even getting the, so like here, invoke, you know, the executing function. You know, get the success, right? Versions. So we have Protoss deployed, right? And let's see, overview, configuration. Okay. What's the integration here? Manage. And the function is LARPI, right? Yes. And then advanced settings, timeout. Okay. Okay, where is it? Routes, LARPI. So we don't need located backend resource, yeah, custom domain names. Okay, API mappings. Configure API mappings. Let's just move that path, right? Save like this. Oh. So remove API mappings. And then we can maybe add one. Okay. Now let's see. Okay, now we get not found. And now we get the internal server. Nice. Maybe I would just, the path was wrong or something. That's not good, but okay, let's see. Now I don't think we need, okay, so let's see. /LARPI, internal server error, right? But do we even need the insecure? No. Okay, so now we deploy the API with an API gateway to a URL, right? So you can just send requests to this URL now, except we're getting internal server errors, which is like, okay, what does that even mean? What if I just don't send any data? Yeah, keep getting our internal server errors. Okay, this is a lot of stuff, but okay, let's see. Monitor. I barely know her. No? You didn't like that? Which one? Why is it like, so I want to see here, you know, here it's just mapping to LARPI, right? And the API is just LARPI, and this is just stage name $default. No stage variables. Integrations. Manage integration. Because what I would expect here is that, you know, hey, I would expect it to like ask me for which kind of let's see here. We have logging, right? Okay, that didn't work. Login. Access login disable. Access login. Oh my god, metrics. Right, yeah, okay. Choose a method and enter a path to create a route. Select JSON log format. Yeah, I mean, I would like to. I need to create a log group, right? So, I don't feel like doing that right now. Okay, let's just create a log group. God damn it. Just joining us. We managed to get it up and running on AWS, but we keep getting internal server error as the result and not success, which is what we want, right? So we're trying to figure out how to do this. Log groups. Create a. Let me see. How do I? Where's my? Okay. API and LARPI. Let's just retain it for like a week. We don't care. We don't want it to fill up. And then we can say API LARPI. And what is the ARN here? And copy paste. LARPI. Can I create something here? API. I think I need to access on. So here, this. I think this one should work. Okay, save. Yeah. XML, CSV. I just want this. I just want to see what happens. I don't care about. Oh my god. Okay, now. Internal server error. Barely know her. Okay. Did I get anything new? Do I need to deploy it? I think it's all deployed, yeah. Oh, here we go. Post any LARPI. So this works, right? Let's change it to the JSON format. Maybe you can get some more info. Send a bunch of events. This is my IP address, by the way. You wanna hack me? I don't think you wanna hack. Where would you get your entertainment if you wanna hack me? Yeah, that might be it. Anyway, we're getting this 500 status. We're posting LARPI. Maybe it's like something with credentials or insufficient rights in the app running inside the Docker container. So I don't think it's a Docker container because we are able. I mean, we're able here to, test it. So we actually run the code right inside the container. So this works. But okay, now we're finally getting something here. Now we're getting a bunch of stuff. Okay, this is all seems to be just different though, but let's see. So 1903. These are the ones we were just sending, right? Let's send some more events. I mean, what could the internal server error be? $1909? Is that now? Is my clock wrong? So 1909-37. Still the latest. Yeah, I know. Like, but I'm wondering. Okay, there's probably some lag on the logs here. Yeah, mine is also 1912 UTC. So I don't think that's the problem. Okay, so here's the event. So I mean, it's making it to the container. But you know, we're not getting the error. Yeah. And the app itself we're running, you know, it doesn't actually. Oh, okay, yeah. I mean, so I mean, it doesn't even look at the request, right? I think. Let me see. Yeah, I mean, it's just, you know, return whatever you get, just return success. Probably like some header that we're not setting. Maybe that's it. Okay, so it's being used. No code preview available. Test. What about alright, let's just change it. Let's just say, okay. Let's go over how we change it. So next thing, kitchen. So handler. What's the type of the handler again? It's a lambda invocation that goes to IO either lambda error byte string. Okay. So we are going to say this is here as an IO. Print got event. PP. So print So this is going to be a, just a function that says, e goes to print got event, print e, return write success. That's our handler, right? Now, then we build it. Right, how do we build it? We have this command, some command here. Docker build t LARPI. I mean, I don't think that's possible, right? Let me see. You have to build it again. And I deleted everything last time, so on code errors in your app and write this to the console. Yeah, like I said, I mean that's what it does, right? If GT crashes, it does write something to error output, right? So, but it's not doing that, right? So, oh my god, this is gonna take a long time, right? Because now I have to build everything from scratch for some reason. Damn it. This is gonna take a long time. I should not have cleared everything, I think. Well, I don't know. Let me see. You can check out my spinning tricks. This might take a while. The current theory is what? That it's making it to the container. I mean, and then yeah, because we see an invocation in the container, right? But like, you say, oh, maybe there's a bug in the actual container itself. And I mean, that might be true. But, yeah. I don't think that would do. Then we would just like either throw the init error or something like that. Oh my god, this is gonna take so long. Jesus. Template, new event, hello world, invoke. Let's just look at the code here. So, run Lambda interface, it's gonna go use HTTP URI, make URI. Okay, conf. Yeah, this is gonna take extremely long. Like, we won't be able to see any changes before the show is over, right? I mean, so it parses everything, tries to look it up. I mean, I guess like if it's like if an event that it's getting is wrong for some reason. But like it's very, it just kind of looks up things that's guaranteed to be there, and it just gets these maybe byte strings, right, for things that might not be there, and that works, right? Let me see. That's a destination. Okay, that's not what we need. So we can enable X-ray, is that it? Okay, let's turn on this. Active tracing, morning, enable, enhanced monitoring. Okay, that's not available, but okay. Monitor traces. Yeah, see, now we're building everything. It's too much. Internal server error again. Did we get anything here? I don't think we do, but let's see. Logs 1919. This is a bit earlier, right? Yeah, so it kind of starts the function and then that takes like 2 seconds and then it, yeah. Okay, test, invoke. Okay, now does that invocation that when we just sent, does that turn up? Yeah, now this is like 97% like building. This is why. I think that's why this is slow. But I don't know. Okay, let's just send a couple of requests. And let's see. Oh, nothing here. It's just weird, right? Because it's not actually kind of failing, right? It's not telling us, hey, this didn't work. It's just not working, which is, yeah, it's not good. Let's see. Now is it still building? I don't know why I even deleted anything, right? And no services, no branches, logs. Okay, this is something. But the thing is, like, these just, like, they don't do anything, right? They just, let's see. Because it just says start and end, right? And then there's no more info, you know? Let me just answer one quick. Yeah, this is gonna take a while. Okay, I guess we'll figure this out next time. Cause like we don't have I mean, we don't get anything now, and you know, we just get start and end, and then report. But like, it's not giving us an error. Container insights. I think that's something else. Yeah. Yeah, we don't have anything. Like, this is like for the actual containers, right? Not for Lambda functions, right? And then Lambda insights, you know, multi-function, jaja. Yeah, there's no resource, there's nothing on here, right? Like, this is not like the for debugging, right? It's like more if you have like a big application running. And we don't have any traces, even though yeah, I don't think we even implemented it. It was like, hey, you should set this variable or something. And I didn't do that right in the library yet, so. Okay. Okay, so here we have some traces. Like it's saying, hey, the result is okay, which is incorrect, right? The result was not okay. The result was internal server error. Let's look at it. Let's see, 23, 32, 34. Okay. The response code here is 200, and there's no logs for this trace. I mean, so that's something, right? So it's like it's not even saying like the results are an error somehow, but like not like a yeah. Maybe this is expecting something else. Let's see. The parsing algorithm for the payload sent to and returned from your Lambda function. Maybe we can change that somehow. Maybe it's like trying to parse the success string we send for some reason. If you create a Lambda integration by using okay. Okay, so version Rocky raw path raw query string. Body hello from Lambda. Okay, with the 2.0 Lambda function response format. Okay, so Lambda function output. I mean, so with the 2.8 format, infer response form. API Gateway. Okay. This will follow if you're flying with validation and doesn't return status code. It's 64, status code 200. Yeah, so if I just return, you know, this, it's interpreted like this, right? And this is precisely what I am returning. It's like success. And here, you know, yeah. Let's see. GDP integrations. No, that's not it. Yeah, I think we'll have to see tomorrow. we'll have to see, you know, when this is done compiling, and then we can just change it fast tomorrow, and we can test it here and stuff. We can see actually, you know, what is it getting, what's happening. Like, if it's sending this thing to the function, right? And then, so, you know, and then, okay, so we're saying, okay, this should be a Lambda invocation, right? That's what it gets. Okay, so Lambda invocation, body, request ID, something like that. So, you know, we do next invocation, and then we run the handler. Okay, so next invocation, we do a request, and we just say BS response, right? So the trick here is that we're not actually parsing it, right? I mean, we are saying response header. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see what will happen. Because it's just running the main function, right? It's not wrapping it in the RIE. Yeah, I don't know. We'll be able to see next time. But anyway, you know, we got it working at least. I mean, it does run on Lambda. We managed to set the API gateway so that we can just query it directly without having to, we know the special URL, right? And so next time, you know, we'll be able to play around with it faster. But yeah, I made the mistake of deleting the intermediate containers, and that's why it's taking super long to compile right now. I think there's something to do with, you know, what the event that API Gateway is sending. Because it works when we just send like a simple event from here, but it doesn't work when we send an event from API Gateway. So, can we, let me stress to one more thing before we go. Logging. So what is the context variable here? Can I just do this? Will this be okay? Okay, I can just send the entire context. Okay, let me see. Let's see. Yeah, this is the one. You should have plenty, like the entire context. Oh, just dash. Okay, that's not. All right, so we can't just dump the context. Context.integration status. Okay, that's what we can do. Let's edit the thing here. Okay, edit. Okay, so let's do IS is gonna be, you know, $context.integration pages. Okay, what else was there? Integration like request ID, let's say that ISRAD ISR is this integration error message. ISERM is gonna be this. I think that's it. An error message, yeah, okay. Response status, identity user. No, that's nothing we need to worry about. HTTP method, domain name. Okay, let's print these also. EM maybe. Okay. Yeah, let's just try this. Okay, now we go back here. That should be a new stream. Let's actually just delete all of these. Okay, here we go. The response from the Lambda function does not match the format that the API Gateway expects. Right, Lambda body is invalid JSON. Exactly, so this is what we were looking for, right? So the problem is with the API Gateway. Okay. Let's give it, so we don't actually have to change our function, right? So in the sense that, you know, I think we should be able to return something which is not valid API. So here, which is, it's weird, right? Because it then, okay, yeah. Okay, so maybe because it's just returning success and not like a quoted string. Success. Let me see. Lambda function LARPI. Yeah. Okay, we can't actually change this. Okay, so here in our code, we have to, let's still print event and write success, but let's do it as valid JSON, right? And this is a valid JSON string, right? But now we have to wait a little bit for it to finish building, and then we can like rebuild and we can actually run it. See? It's all about, but it's just, yeah, I think it's a bit dumb. But you know, I think the key is here that 2.0, like it will interpret, you know, this is a string. You know, it has quotes around it. Success is not valid JSON. And that's a bit of a shame, right? That we can't return. Okay, I mean, I guess, you know, the Lambda function returns the thing, right? But it doesn't. So we have to make sure that users of the library, like whatever they return, is valid JSON, right? So Can we just have them return JSON? Like in our library. Okay, let's write that down, right? So in a sense of the handler here, so Lambda interface, to do, no, not like this, to do, ensure that the return of the handler okay, I don't think we want to ensure that, but I think because like maybe you're using the Lambda function internally and not through an API gateway or whatever, so you want to be able to just return byte strings. Note the result of the write result of li handler must be valid JSON for API gateway integrations. So like, how do you invoke Lambda functions? Because you know, you can invoke Lambda from another Lambda, right? So, and you can, you know, you can kind of run it and then query it, and then, you know, you don't actually see like response here. Let's see. Yeah. So what I think I'm trying to say is that you know, should we do that? Should we make it? Should we put? Is that a reasonable thing to say? Like, hey, it has to be valid JSON. I think, because I think you can, you know, use. Let's see. Lambda with code commit. Yeah, I guess you get an event and then. Maybe I think I don't think integrations. Just write a to do. Make a return make the right return value a mandatory JSON. Because like, I think this is a mistake that's very easy to make, but I'm wondering, like, is it always a mistake? Okay, so let's think about it, right? So okay, you can always take a byte string. Okay, so let's say using Lambda functions, AWS. Yeah. Because I don't think it's too unreasonable to make it It's like the input's always going to be JSON, right? So I don't think it's unreasonable. I mean, you're on the web already. You're probably going to be returning JSON events anyway. Let's see. Okay, let's just do that. Let's just do it. I'm gonna make it happen. Okay, so we're gonna make it like this to JSON A, and then run Lambda interface initialization conf next invocation if it's correct. Invocation response resp. No, yeah, this, so next invocation, Lambda invocation, initialization config Lambda error, config invocation error, invocation response, text byte string. Yeah, so it's actually in run Lambda interface here. Here we need to say data.asm to byte string. So it's and then it's going to be encode, right? Encode. Let's see. Oh my god, what is this? Encode, decode, either decode. Okay, so yeah, encode. Yeah. Okay, does this work? Can we, like, are we allowed to have this like that? Yeah, okay, this works. And so here, this is write success. QA. So then we enforce that it's actually like a legal value, and then yeah, it's a bit more polymorphic, which is fine, right? You can kind of chain things together. And like encode is always going to work, so we're going to guarantee that by the type system. Let's see. God, return is applied to too few arguments. Return. Oh no. Yeah, but this is okay. What? Oh, am I Cabal build test? Not in scope. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we couldn't do that. Okay, Vim test maybe. Okay, data Lambda interface A. Yeah, I think we need this. Run Lambda interface A. And Lambda interface. How about this? Illegal modified type. 112. Language rank and types. I think this is in GHC 2021. Okay, encode res. Good match type encode byte string with a byte string. Okay, encode resp. So encode returns a lazy byte string. Encode as a lazy byte string. Okay. Google, let's just say google.haskell.com, yeah. Oops. It's org, I think. Nice. And what are we searching for? Encode. What? Okay. Too strict. Yeah, I think this is just, yeah, we can just do that, right? Be not too strict. Be too strict. Fill it. Okay, this doesn't work. Okay. Import qualify data.bytestring.lazy as BL qualified BL.toStrict, and then there's something wrong here, which is to say I think it's this. No instance from toJSON A. Okay, oh my god. Okay, so it's not implied. To JSON A. Cannot deduce oh yeah, so and this success here, that's actually gonna be a byte string. So it knows what to do, and no instance for toJSON byte string. Damn. Okay, now it works. Now let's rebuild it. I can also see like how we changed the code, right? And now I don't have to rebuild the entire thing. Like we already fixed the dependencies, so that's gonna be fine. In the road to tarball this, installing dependencies. Now here we're gonna go way up. Yeah. And this is what we're gonna post. So we're gonna run it again. Just make sure that it actually does the thing. Yeah, so now you get the string success, right? Now we built it. We've already logged in, so we're gonna tag it. Oh my god. Sudo. We're gonna tag it, and we are going to push the last layer. It's just the last layer of the change, right? Okay. Now let's see here. ECR. So I'm wondering, like, does it actually just auto update the function? That would be cool, right? Because like here we have LARPI, and it was created at, and let's see. So the latest is now this one, 7:54 p.m. Does it have a different URI? Image. Yeah, I mean, so this should be good. Deploy new image. I think it actually just automatically updates. Yeah, see? Now it returns success. Okay, let's see. Oh, we still get an internal server error. And it's like, it's not actually doing anything, right? It's not, listen, I mean, it's not printing out the things we wanted. But it is like returning a string, which is something. Let's change it so it definitely, so we can kind of tell better if it's actually updated. So instead of saying success, we're gonna say LARPI. Now, what do we do? We build it. And then we're gonna test it. It's all coming together. And I think we're very close now. I think we're actually very close. Let's see. Let's see. Integrations, payload version, yeah. So it's payload version 2. And I think that should work. I think it should work. Copying tests. Yes. Okay. Run it. Call the local host. Now it says LARPI. So we tag it. We push it. Essentially the same, right? Except now it's C11A991. Okay. Now let's see if it actually, if we have to change it. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, okay. It didn't actually update. Deploy new image. Browse images. LARPI. Yeah, okay. Select image. Okay. Yeah. Now it's like very explicitly the latest one. Test it. Invoke. Execution succeeded. Oh, why it's still saying that? Image versions. Publish new version. Okay, let's see. Successfully updated function LARPI. Okay. If I, yeah, now it's like running again. And now it says LARPI. And now, yes. All right. And we're exactly at 2 hours. How's that for timing, huh? Okay, so what we did was that we changed it so that it actually requires that this here thing is a JSON thing. Okay. So now we have the, and I think that's fair. You know, it's the internet. You know, everything is JSON anyway. And things are going to be interpreted, blah, blah, blah. So go back and forth to JSON. So, you know, if you have a binary response, you'll have to base 64 encode it or something like that. Otherwise, it won't get through the API Gateway. So, I mean, and if people complain, we can make like a version that doesn't use JSON, which is fine. Now it returns it, and monitor. And now we have it, right? So, you know, calling the AWS Runtime API, you know, on this URL works. And I think that's beautiful. All right, that's it for today. But I'm happy. I am happy with it. Getting jiggy with it. And then next time we will make more of a library out of this, right? But let's see, traces. Does it actually do any more cool stuff now? No, not quite. All right, that's gonna be it for today. Yeah. What did we do? Well, we made it. Yeah, we did all the ECR. We did the API Gateway configuration. We deployed it to like a URL, so instead it's not like at a stupid place. And we made it actually work. You know, not as a library or anything, but like, you know, made it into something that works. And like the only requirement we had to add was that the whatever you have here is a JSON, which is fine, I think. I mean, it's not as general as it could be. You might want to create Lambda functions whose output is not JSON. But I think that this will catch more errors than it will, like, yeah. So so maybe, and we can make maybe we can make something different. You know, like a Lambda interface prime, which doesn't require this for something else. But I think this is a fair thing, actually. EQA, git status, what do I have here? Git diff head, git add AWS LARPI cabal, git status, git add a test, commit am, enforce JSON to prevent API Gateway mistakes. Git push. And it works. Alright, good stuff. So yeah, and how did we had to do it here, right? We had to like update it in a weird way. Which is okay. I think it's fine that, you know, you explicitly refer to the image. It was a bit too much to expect that you could just push something to the ECR and it would kind of change, right? I don't think that would work. Okay, I mean, I don't think that would be preferable, that's what I'm saying. Alright, thanks for tuning in today. Tomorrow, I guess we'll return at the same time, 6 o'clock UTC, Reykjavik time. But we'll be making this into more of a library. Maybe doing something interesting with a Lambda function, not just like a success thing. But at least it works. And you know, you want to test it out, just send an event to this URL, post it. Just don't do too much, because I will be billed. But you know, I'll set some throttling, so it won't bill me too much if you guys want crazy. All right, thanks for today, and see you tomorrow maybe. Yeah. All right. Bye bye.